G'day guys, just a short video again on the little dash cam that Banggood sent me. This one's one of the ones that you can flip the screen, the camera, multiple directions. Just used another one of the mounting pads so that I can stick it in my my next vehicle, but we're sticking it in the little Mazda truck. This is the vehicle that I'll be driving predominantly from now on. The big truck will only come out on special occasions, so this one needs to have the dash cam in it, just in case something silly happens. So this little beast can record all kinds of bits and pieces. So we got a little memory card in it still. What have we got in there? The memory card that's on the floor. Alright, so it's just got a little 16 gig class 10 micro SD in it. So yeah, this will come in handy one day. I won't need it for anything for a long time, hopefully, but may come in handy one day. Just got a USB double adapter in the cigar lighter socket there. So where do we want it? High, so it's got a good view angle. Yeah, we'll go with that. So that should allow me to capture anything that does go wrong. We link to them in the video description. Banggood did send me this one for review. Still works like a treat. I plugged it into a USB power bank anytime I needed it in the big Leylander truck. It's a medium rigid truck, and it's very old school, so it didn't have any real electronics like a cigar lighter socket or whatever. This one does, so we can power this one up all the time whenever we're driving around. I might even get a full-time record kit for it. I'll link to a full-time dash cam style power supply from Banggood in the description for you as well. But like I said, when I'm reviewing things, I'm going to give you updates into the future so you know that stuff's still alive or it's no good or whatever. Still good. Works well, captures good video. The original video, I'll link in the description as well, from the original pull apart and review of this beast. It's a good thing. So from the outside of the truck, as you can see, it's only very low profile, fairly discreet, especially compared to the light bar and visor. But you can sit there in case someone tries to pull a Swifty on me, and I'll see if I can't put a bigger memory card in it and let it record overnight as well. But yeah, Banggood sent me that one for review. I told you I'd keep you updated on whether it was good or crap. One of my mates has got one of these in his work ute as well. He said that's a good thing. So yeah, with some power to it, and I'll continue using it. Just one of them update kind of videos for you guys. Sorry it's short and probably won't make a lot of sense to anyone new, but yeah, I've had that a while now, and I really rate them. If you need a dash cam, good price, good quality vision. I think I got that set at 1080 60 FPS, so won't miss anything. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. There's a bit of a drive along in the original video, which will be in the top of the video description. Catch you on the next one. Cheers guys.